Hello, Tesfaye here from the Tutorial Academy. Welcome back to this video series. Today we are going to see our lesson. This is lesson 9. We are going to introduce the Oromo for communication purposes in English media. So today we are going to see how we express our likes and dislikes. It's a very common communication area where we encounter with people or things that we have to express our likes or dislikes, and it's very common in communication. So that's why I picked this area. So we see how we express our likes and dislikes in Afaan Oromo. Some few words are picked from Oromo language communications. So jaallachuu fi jibbuu. So jaallachuu is like, love. Jibbuu is dislike or hate. That's the literal meaning. We use these words to express likes and dislikes in Oromo. So we see, I like red stew. Very common in Oromo, and then or in general in Ethiopia. Red stew is very common, so that's why I picked it. Ittoo diimaa nan jaalladha. Ittoo means stew, diimaa means red, and nan jaalladha. I love it. I love red stew. Ittoo diimaa nan jaalladha. Red stew is very spicy, very yummy as well. If you don't know it, try to visit Ethiopia restaurant and order red stew. Especially chicken stew. You're gonna enjoy it and you're gonna come back more and more. I like coffee and bunan jaalladha. So the difference between the two here, nan jaalladha, bunan jaalladha. I didn't say ani todiman jaalladha. I say todima nan jaalladha. In general, I love todima, but I like coffee and bunan jaalladha. Means now you are ordering coffee, so I want to drink coffee this time. Ani bunan jaalladha, ani shaayin jaalladha. Okay, that's how we say. What do you like? Ati maal jaallatta? That could be a question. Ani bunan jaalladha, ani bunan jaalladha, ani shaayin jaalladha. I love you, I like you is the same in Oromo, and sin jaalladha. And sin jaalladha is the same as I like you and I love you as well. And sin jaalladha. It is the context or to the person you talk to that defines it. And sin jaalladha. Love you, like you, in short, we can say sin jaalladha. Sin jaalladha. That's enough, that's sufficient. Sin jaalladha and sin jaalladha. Sin jaalladha. Now look how the word is changed. I don't love you, I don't like you, and si hin jaalladhu. So jaalladha changes into jaalladhu, but with hin. Hin means not. And si hin jaalladhu. And si hin jaalladhu. Si hin jaalladhu. So hin jaalladhu, when we say hin jaalladhu, it's all about not liking. It's not, even though the word jaallachuu, jaalladha is love, it means I don't love you here. So it means hin jaalladhu, or it's jibba means jibbu means hate. So and sin jibba or and sin jaalladhu is the same. Don't hate me, na hin jibbin. Sin jibba, I hate you. Sin jaalladhu, I hate you. Nahin jibbin, don't hate me. Nahin jibbin, nan jibbin. When we talk, actually, it's very fast. Nan jibbin, it looks like one word. Nan jibbin, nahin jibbin is when we write it. Sin jaalladha, sin jaalladhu, it looks like one word. Sin jaalladhu. Si hin jaalladhu is how we have to write it. I don't like gossip. Ani hama hin jaalladhu. the same as hin jaalladhu before. Hin jaalladhu. Hin jaalladhu. He does not like drinking. Inni dhuguu hin jaallatu. Now it changes to circumstance of a gender. Hin jaallatu is for a male only. Hin jaallatu. Hin jaalladhu is for me, I don't. Hin jaallatu, he doesn't. That is specifically for a man, for a male. And for a woman, it is different again. Hin jaallattu. Hin jaallattu is only for a woman, for female. Isheen adurree hin jaallattu. Isheen adurree hin jaallattu. Hin jaallattu, if you say hin jaallattu, we are specifically referring to a female. Hin jaallatu specifically to a man, to a male person. Hin jaalladhu, it is our own feeling. That's very important to distinguish between this. He likes news. Inni oduu jaallata. So now it is hin jaallatu for negative, for not. Jaallata for positive, for like. He likes jaallata. Jaallata. What do you like? Coffee or tea? Ati maal jaallatta? Ati maal jaallatta? Buna moo shaayi? I missed one tea here. Ati maal jaallatta? Buna moo shaayi? Okay, ati maal jaallatta? Buna moo shaayi? Buna moo shaayi? That's a choice. Guys, what do you like? It's in maal jaallattu, plural. It's also for respect. It's in maal jaallattu. What do you like? Isaan qoosaa hin jaallatani. Isaan qoosaa hin jaallatani. That's for respectful person. Plural, jarri kana hin jaallatani. Jarri kana hin jaallatani. This is plural. Jarri kana hin jaallatani. You like it or not? Jaallattus, jibbitus. Jaallattus, jibbitus. So you like or you don't like, or you like or you don't like. Jaallattus, jibbitus. I think I missed one to introduce one here for a girl. I like to add it here. He likes news. Inni oduu jaallata. That's for a boy, for a man. If I change that to she likes news. Ishiin oduu jaallatti. Jaallatti. Ishiin oduu jaallatti. That's specifically for a female. Ishiin oduu jaallatti. Jaallatti. Ishiin oduu jaallatti. Ishiin oduu jaallatti. So that is for this, and I'm gonna have some questions for you. I hope this is helpful. Maybe a little bit overwhelming because the words are very much repeated, but don't worry, just practice on those and you will catch up with the others later on. So these are the questions I have for this section. I love you. Sin jaalladha. Ani sin jaalladhu. Both correct. Which one is the answer? If you have any questions, please ask. Write in the comments for me and I can reply to you. Thank you for being with me and have a nice time. Bye bye.